delightful French toast. I make this with a custard-like batter that makes it like a dessert for breakfast. You don't want to miss this one. Let's get started on the batter. I put 1 cup of milk, and that was just cold milk right out of the refrigerator. I also cracked 2 eggs, and I mix that up, or whisk it, really well. You want to make sure that's very mixed. This is your custard-like batter that's going to make a difference than a normal, say, egg mixture with a little bit of cinnamon and then you fry it in butter. It just makes this like a dessert and it's wonderful. But like I said, mix that up really well. Lightly toast your bread. Let's heat up that pan on medium. I switch out pans later because I did not use a nonstick, so make sure you do. Next, we're going to add some cinnamon, salt, and vanilla to this mixture. This batter is really good once you get to dunk that toast into it. Make sure that cinnamon, salt, vanilla, egg, and milk is mixed really well together. It is delicious. Next, take your lightly toasted bread and we're going to put that in the batter. Flip it around about 4 times. That will make sure everything is coated and covered. And like I told you, this is where I went wrong. I had to switch to a non-stick skillet. Melt yourself some butter, then you'll be able to put this on medium-high heat. Flip it a few times, it's going to get crispy and brown. It's delicious. Voila, there you have it, delicious French toast. Add some powdered sugar and some syrup and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.